first thing that we in our day-to-day activities love to start with is to assess before we innovate and understand exactly what we have, what can we do with it, what is its capabilities, what is its limitation, and then we start innovating and seeing what we can develop further. Yes, so assessing and seeing the needs of the project is what we do. And in the digital integration part from this side is for us to see the tools that we have and how these tools communicate between each other. For example, as a simple example that I think even any people who not in the BIM field can totally understand, that any company have the subscription for Microsoft. Microsoft bundle includes all the Microsoft apps and everything. Okay, so when you look at this part, okay, how people utilize it, you will find that most companies utilize Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Outlook, maybe OneDrive on a personal level, their personal OneDrive, and that's it, right? But if you assess this properly, how you can utilize this Microsoft apps, as a very simple example, I'm not talking about complicated BIM thing, but very simple example. Microsoft have something like Microsoft Power Apps. This is included in any bundle or subscription. They have something like called Power Automate. This environment, okay, people sometimes in a construction field forget that it can totally benefit them if they integrate it correctly. And utilizing the not just in communication like Outlook or Teams or the simple tools that Microsoft have, but utilizing more than this in using Power Apps to create a small application built on Microsoft that can help people. For example, you want to get a progress report. So instead of you asking them to send a document file, and this document file is isolated, just one person opening it and writing it, instead of sending you this as a separate file, you can connect it to your own domain and your own databases through the Microsoft apps by developing and it's not like complicated thing. It's very simple to have this as a small application on Microsoft where the consultant or contractor or subcontractor, he wants to send you a progress report, he can do it through this application. Power Automate can then connect it to send this information on a database automatically or notify you that this consultant did his progress report on a weekly basis. If he missed something, he can send the consultant a notifier. You have not sent, for example, your progress report this week. Please do that. This database in Microsoft can then integrate as an ecosystem with ACC, with other ecosystems for sharing BIM data. And that's how digital integration works. And actually, that's how we focus on in our daily activities.